I bring sweetness and depth, you bring tears and chaos. Don't act like bland is better. Without me, every dish tastes like regret.
I do all the real work here. You just smear me around and take the credit. Without me, you are just a stick with a bad attitude. They cut me off and tossed me here. I sealed freshness, protected everything inside. Now I am just sharp waste, forgotten and dangerous. I held your drink, your fizz, your moment of refreshment. Now I am just tossed aside like I am nothing. Recycle me, I am not done existing. You drained me.
Ever seen a mop arguing with a vacuum or a talking tomato with attitude? Today I'm going to show you how to create your own AI talking objects step by step. Open your ChatGPT app and tap the two horizontal lines. Go to Apps, then select GPTs. Tap the search icon and type Object Talk Yimwandres. Press Start Chat. In the chat box, type something like empty can and hit send. A pop-up will appear showing scene image prompts, dialogue, and related object characters. From there, you can build full scenes with visuals and conversations automatically. It's that easy to start creating talking object videos. Now we need to bring those texts to life. Open Google or any browser and search for ImageFX. To access the dashboard, click Try Flow. Sign in with your Google account, then select New Project. Now copy and paste your text from ChatGPT. Choose Nano Banana Pro, set your aspect ratio to 9:16 and output to 1. Then press Send and wait for your image to generate. That's it, your AI image is ready. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy the next object scene. Paste it into Google Flow and wait for the image to generate. Repeat the same process for all the remaining objects in ChatGPT. One by one, you'll build your full set of scenes until everything is ready. While the other images are generating, click the ones already done. Tap the download arrow, select 2K to upscale it, wait for it to process, then download your final high-quality image. Sometimes you might see an "oops, something went wrong" message when generating an image. Don't worry, just tap the retry arrow to regenerate it. Then delete the failed image so you don't get confused and keep your project clean and organized. Repeat this same process for all your remaining object characters. Just keep copying each scene, generating the images, and organizing them until everything is complete. To get your saved images from Google Flow, go to your files and tap the three dots in the top right corner. Click Select, then choose all the images you generated. Tap the share arrow button, and when the pop-up appears, select Save 4 images to download them to your device. Bringing images to life, video generation. Open the YouTube app on your device and log in. Tap the plus icon, then select Create. The star icon on the top right. In the bottom left corner, tap the Upload option arrow and choose the first image you generated. Next, go back to ChatGPT, copy the dialogue, and paste it into YouTube. Press the send arrow and wait for your video to generate. Once your video is ready,
Held your drink, your fizz, your moment of refreshment. Now I am just tossed aside like I am nothing. Recycle me, I am not done existing. I held your...
Repeat the same process for the next object. Finally, download your videos to save them to your device.
Kick me one more time, I dare you. I'm not your floor toy, but I hydrate you. At least cap me before chaos.
To save your video, tap the three dots in the top right corner. A pop-up will appear. Select Save, then choose Save to Device to download it.
You drained me dry and crushed my sides. I had vitamins, flavor, purpose. Now I'm just sticky trash.
Generating 2 scene characters. Now go back to your Talking Object app in ChatGPT and start a new chat. Type something like vacuum machine and mop arguing. A pop-up will appear with scenes and image prompts. Go back to Google Flow, copy and paste the prompts, and generate your images. Repeat this process for all your characters. Ace. You can choose any characters you like. It could be a red onion and a white onion arguing, or any objects of your choice. Get creative with fruits, vegetables, or everyday items and bring them to life. Go back to YouTube, upload your image, then copy and paste the scene or dialogue. Tap the send arrow and wait for your video to generate. Once it's done, your video is ready.
I bring sweetness and depth, you bring tears and chaos. Don't act like bland is better. Without me, every dish tastes like regret.
Combining clips. Open your CapCut app and add all the video clips you generated. Tap Add, then arrange and adjust the clips in the right order. Once everything looks good, tap Export, and that's it. Your final video is ready.
They cut me off and tossed me here. I sealed freshness, protected everything inside. Now I am just sharp waste, forgotten and dangerous. I held your drink, your fizz, your moment of refreshment. Now I am just tossed aside like I am nothing. Recycle me, I am not done existing.
You drained me dry and crushed my sides. I had vitamins, flavor, purpose. Now I'm just sticky trash.
Kick me one more time, I dare you. I'm not your floor toy, but I hydrate you. At least cap me before chaos.
I used to hold sweetness, flavor, something meaningful. Now I am just echoing emptiness. Refill me or release me.
You can apply the same edit style for any two talking objects. Just keep the dialogue clean and timed well. Don't forget to delete that 2 as black clip at the end in CapCut before exporting. Once that's done, export your final video and you're good to go.
I bring the volume and speed, you just flatten everything.
Please, without me, you would leave them looking like a complete and total fluffy mess.
I do all the real work here. You just smear me around and take the credit. Without me, you are just a stick with a bad attitude.
I clean in straight lines your pure chaos. Your directions fold into nonsense every time I pass. Pick a path or stay out of my suction zone.
Thanks for coming this far. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Drop a comment below, I'd love to hear from you.